Maida. We're going to make Snicker Doodles.
Hi, today we're going to make Snicker Doodles, and here are the ingredients used to make it. You're going to need 1 1/3 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 egg, and then half a cup of butter, a softened butter. And then the toppings, to make the topping of the cookie, which is pretty much the cinnamon part of it, we're gonna need 1/4 cup of sugar, which is on this plate, and then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon that we're gonna get from here. Yeah, so we're gonna do the 1 1/3 cups of flour. Add that in first. And then we're gonna add the 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And you're gonna mix it now. And set it aside. So we're gonna put a half cup of butter inside the stand mixer.
Okay, you can switch it on.
Butter softened, so now we can add the sugar. 3/4 cup of sugar. Alright, so we're gonna start the stand mixer slow and then increase it steadily. I'll take the butter from the side and move it to the middle to mix it more, to make sure all the butter is being mixed. So turn it on slowly again, and then start increasing it. Add the egg first. So we're gonna add the 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Start mixing this well, and start off slow. You won't be able to hear me when I turn this on, so I'm just gonna say it right now. You're gonna have to add all-purpose flour, little by little, and then I'm gonna turn this on now. This is my last. It's the last of the flour. I'm gonna mix it now. Okay, so we're done now, as you can see. And
Yeah, you can take that thing, put it in the sink.
now I'm adding the 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I guess I'm mixing it now.
Sugar and the cinnamon,
This
right?
is sugar.
1/4 cup sugar and cinnamon.
So now we can just take some of the dough out and start rolling it up. And once it gets close enough to a ball, you can put it on here.
On the wax paper.
Wax paper. It's on a tray.
Baking tray.
Baking tray.
You can make whatever size you want, right?
Yeah.
Make all the balls first, and then what do you need to do?
Oh yeah, after we make the balls, we're gonna roll it in the cinnamon sugar that we made.
So you can make all the balls, right?
So I've made all of them into balls. So now I'm gonna put it into the cinnamon sugar and roll it all around so it gets all over it.
Do the same thing.
Yeah, you keep doing the same thing for all of them. topped all of them with a cinnamon sugar topping that we made. And now I'm gonna flatten them out to make them look more like cookies with the cup.
Bottom of the cup.
Bottom cup.
Yep, that's enough. You need to do gently.
So we have preheated this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we have to bake this for 7 to 10 minutes, around 7 to 10 minutes, or until the edges become brown. I'm gonna put this in the oven.
For 7 to 10 minutes, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So as you can see, we kind of messed up here, but we should have them more spaced out. And so when you do yours, you might want to space it out more, or even get 2 different trays. Okay, so I'm going to take it out now.
So how many minutes it took?
It took about 7 minutes. We're gonna let it stay there for 5 minutes.
On the tray, right?
On the tray for 5 minutes, and then move it to the rack to let it cool down completely. So 5 minutes have gone by, so now I'm gonna start putting the cookies onto the rack with a spatula. Now we're gonna let it cool down fully. These are done now, and it turned out pretty good. And please like and subscribe down below and leave a comment. Thank you.